Staff in the Madison Parish School District say they've had issues with pay. Devontae Martin reports on the discussion at tonight's school board meeting.
We need to do something about this as a board.
A full house was in attendance Monday for the Madison Parish School Board meeting as school staff members voiced concerns over pay issues, including inconsistencies with COVID relief payments and the non-payment of health and life insurance for employees. Board members say they voted for all teachers to receive stipends of $4,000. Some employees say they received less, and others say they did not receive one at all.
I said all teachers. And people in here that was in here know what I said. But then it come back and say they got 3,000. Well, and it took out 2,000.
The school district also changed insurance companies in October. Multiple staff members say they have been paying for life and health insurance but did not realize they were not covered until December. Interim Superintendent Lucille Lovett says they are working to improve communication.
It is just our community and our staff, and which is very good. They're showing support for the things that they want improvement in their school district, and so we welcome that.
Board member Eddie Fountain says board members do not manage the district's money. The district financial manager, Elvin Parker, is set to meet with staff to discuss the issues Tuesday. Reporting in Tallulah, Devontae Martin, KNOE 8 News.